Welcome to the Lexington Cabinet Door Program, where engineering, design, and manufacturing come together to deliver true consistency and performance. At Lexington, cabinetry starts with engineering. Every component is designed as part of a complete system, not just a product, so you get dependable quality from the very first order. At the heart of our program is the patented Lexington Signature Slim, the LSS Slim Shaker. The LSS is engineered at the joint level, with a patented construction method that delivers stronger alignment, tight seam control, and clean modern proportions. We use exact match materials across solid color components, like each stile, rail, and center panel. The result is visual uniformity you can trust, a cohesive look without the need for paint or finishing. The program includes 10 curated colors, 4 door profiles, and 7 matching accessory moldings, all wrapped and color matched for seamless design integration. And for manufacturers with specific needs, we also support custom colors and custom profiles. It's a flexible system designed to grow with your product line. With the Lexington Cabinet Door Program, you get engineered precision, reliable consistency, and signature design, all built to support long-term production success. Ready to elevate your cabinet lineup? Explore the full program at lexingtonmfg.com or connect with our team to get started.